What is going on, guys? It's your boy Night Rider 93 back at it again with another video. Now, before we get to that stuff over there, I do want to thank everybody for the 50 subscribers. Now, the only thing left is to go up. And don't worry, she's going to do her video. She just doesn't know when. She's not going to renege on her deal that she made. And before I even get, like I said, to this stuff over here, if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe, because there's going to be more parts and content to come in the future. So really subscribe if you're not already. Be very worth it. It will. Like the video if you haven't already. So now let's get to this mess over there. So here we go. Now we're back at it. And it's all from Mishimoto. And there's Mishimoto. Now let's open this little package, which I don't exactly know what happened. Like, I don't know what happened. Seriously, no idea. So I guess we'll see what's in here. I seriously don't know what happened to the box. Like,
are you really just gonna play with the bag? Like, are you 5?
Anyways, so we have this is all, this stuff over here is for the sponsorship. So I have a Mishimoto lanyard, a koozie, which...
You need a new one.
Shut up, okay.
I'm still in the lanyard.
And then this is talking about everything they have, which I'll give a brief look at that later. An air freshener.
That's so cute.
Air freshener. I'm actually going to go put that in my car later. Actually, not later, probably tomorrow. Alright. And this is pretty much talking about the Mishimoto program. Anyways. So, these are the stickers. They're actually a little bit smaller than what I thought they were going to be. So I have 2 of them. Might do them on both sides, going down both sides of the car, kind of like.
You could put one on the front and one on the back.
We'll figure it out. Alright. Now, let's actually get to this. As she's scared of my nuts.
You sketchy with that thing.
Look, at Wendy's, this is my box cutter. We weren't allowed to have knives, so it's my box cutter. So if you work at Wendy's or a fast food place, and you have a knife, it's a box cutter. A little word of advice. Alright. Get the package slip out of the way. And I tear it in the box. Slip of everything. Alright. I have to turn the knife that way up. Alright. Oh, let's not cut my toe off. Okay, install video stop, y'all. I am going to close the wrap.
Oh my god.
Actually, that would be alright, so once again, another air freshener. No, you're not having my other one.
I don't want it. I can't stand stuff hanging on my mirror.
Alright, here is some of the fittings. That is the bracket that mounts to the strut tower. This is all the hoses and clamps and wow, this is a little smaller than what I actually thought it was going to be.
Well, when you said it'll fit in the mailbox, I was expecting the whole box to fit in the mailbox.
I was expecting it, but this is the catch can. It's kind of smaller than what I thought it was going to be. Anyways, in, out. Just in case you can't read. I know
It's dummy proof.
Yes, it is. Alright. So, of course, you already know. I mean, obviously, the only color I could have got with this one was black. Now, if I'd have got the other one, like Nasty 2SS, I would have been able to get colors. But apparently I have a problem with black. So, but that is everything. So this will be installed, I don't know, tomorrow, Thursday. One day that I actually get off during daylight and I don't have to use a flashlight. And
That'll be this weekend.
Install.
Oh my God, you're 5.
Alright, anyways. So once again, this is just like the little
brochure.
Yeah, a little brochure thing. See, that's is the catch can that Nasty 2SS has. It's got the colors on it, and I didn't want that one because I apparently had a problem with black. But that is a little brochure. And word of advice, y'all, she's not getting my lanyard.
I totally am.
Anyways.
Let's be honest, you're not going to use it.
Acts like I've been wanting a lanyard.
Lies.
Actually. Alright, so that is pretty much it for the unboxing. I'm actually going to put all this up so I actually know where it all is.
It's so cute.
I really can, excuse me, I really cannot wait to put this in my car.
I just want to smell it.
I really, like y'all, I am, like, truly enthused about having a penguin hanging from my windshield. Like,
Y'all, he's 5, I swear.
anyways, like I was saying, that is pretty much it. I'm going to put everything up, and pretty much regardless of what day I do the install, y'all will see it Friday. Because I'm mean, and I'm just going to make y'all wait before y'all see the install. Now, that's it for today. I am going to play bubble wrap.
Y'all, somebody come get him and take him home with y'all.
So I am out. Peace.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love